This is problem number 29 from the August 2017 Algebra Regents exam. It says that Samantha purchases a package of sugar cookies. The nutrition label states that each serving size of 3 cookies contains 160 calories. So we can see on the graph, for every 3 cookies that are eaten, 160 calories are consumed. The question is, explain why it is appropriate for Samantha to draw a line through the points in the graph. Why should we connect these dots? And when you're connecting dots in a graph, it implies that the relationship is continuous. And by continuous, it means that there exists basically an infinite amount of points between the points. So is it possible for a fraction of a cookie to be eaten? Would there be a certain amount of calories inside a tiny little bit of a cookie? And yes, that is the case. So that is why there should be a line drawn through these points. So I would say something along the lines of, yes, the data is continuous because a fraction of the cookie could be eaten, as I explained earlier. Just to clarify, to help you understand better, an example of some data that would not be continuous would be if you were counting the number of students in a classroom as they came in. So it might go from 1 student to 2 students to 3 students to 4 students to 5 students. That example, you would not connect those points because you can't have a fraction of a student. So that's an example of data that would not be continuous. So I hope that's helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.